Today we're going to be looking at an unboxing from one of my favorite shops, Jaded Gem Shop. This is the diamond painting we'll be looking at, a melty face baby girl. And I think she's a demon because she has 3 eyes and demon horns. So I'm very excited. This is actually one of my favorite artists that I think I sent this one to Jade to license. So, and I discovered her on Twitch, and she's just so sweet. She has a YouTube channel. I will put a link in the description box below. We have our drills, so 2 bags of drills. This is a square diamond painting, and it's going to be mostly, yes, you guessed it, purples, some blues it looks like, and some whites, beige colors. I did not order this with ABs. I have a little thing of green washi tape, which is a nice little bonus. Then we have our canvas. Here is the thumbnail again, and here is the schematic. So you can see it is only 22 colors. It measures 50 by 65, and the way I can tell that is the 5065. And oh my goodness, I'm very excited. Okay, you also get a package of release paper. So if you like double-sided release paper, bonus. I actually use them sometimes when I cut my areas and my elbow needs a rest. So here is an even bigger version of the thumbnail. It's beautiful. She's so cute. I love her, little demon girl. And then again, we have our schematic, and these are pre-cut labels, so you can label your baggies, you can label your containers. I actually don't use these labels. I just kit up 1 to whatever, and then I look at this sheet for reference. Here's a big logo of Jade Shop. Now let's take a look at the canvas. I'm very excited. Scruffy is also excited. So we have, it's called Obsessed by Chao Illustrations. Chao Illustrations. Here's the canvas. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. And I think I ordered like a good size. So 50 by 65 centimeters. I think that was a good size. I didn't have to go any bigger. So here's a pan over of the whole canvas. I love her. I think this is so cute. What do you guys think? I know this artwork isn't for everyone, but seriously, this lady is seriously talented. So now let's take a look at her face. So we can take a closer look at the canvas. And the one thing I love about Jade's canvases is like the negative effect. So while this might look like a photo, it reminds me of like a photo negative, but it's so much fun watching the canvas or the image come together. Can take a close-up of the symbols. And with this, you'll also notice that there's no grid lines, which I honestly have no issue with that. Like people might be like, oh, well, it's harder. Like it's okay if there's no grid lines in areas where there's confetti, but where there's color blocking, it's difficult. I think I've been diamond painting for like 3 years now, and 2 years, 3 years, and I literally don't have an issue with no grid lines. I actually prefer no grid lines, like just being honest. So, what do you guys think of this canvas? I think it's perfect. I'm so excited. I'm going to start I'm going to kit this up tonight, and then I'm going to start working on it. I know this artwork, again, isn't for everyone, and I actually, like, I don't mind that her initials are here. I don't think it takes away from the image. I think though, like once I get to that area, I'll kind of decide, do I want to keep the artist's signature there, or do I want to remove it? Honestly, I'll probably keep it because I don't really care that much. But that's totally up to you. Like if you do get this image and you're like, I don't like the signature there, you can remove it. But because I subscribe to her I follow her on Twitch, and I subscribe to her on YouTube. She also has a shop and everything, but yeah, so because I'm a fan of the actual artist herself, I'm going to leave that there. She also, one of her more newer videos, I believe, is her getting ready for a convention, like Artist Alley convention booth. Make sure you check her out. Like, I can't tell you enough. She just seems so nice, and like I chatted with her once or twice on Twitch, and she's just like really nice. Okay, okay, this is like 3 days. I filmed that unboxing on Sunday. I filmed that unboxing on Sunday, and I've started working on it already right after I filmed that unboxing. So this is the progress that I have made. Here you can see the signature. I actually don't mind the signature because it is like pretty much centered on the canvas. Okay, so you need to move, sir. It's a lot of color blocking. So if you're like, Beverly, how did you get so much done? It was like, you can tell all this hand, a lot of this stuff is all color blocking. I'm loving working on this so far. I started this huge section. This section right here is this huge section that I started on last night. And then I'm going to split that into two. So there's like 2.5 sections left. It's a lot of fun to work on. So I would recommend this kit, honestly. It's really cute. You could probably get away with a smaller size. Again, this size was 50 by 60. 50 by 65, and it's a fast kit because there's, again, a lot of color blocking. I have no troubles with any of the symbols. I did mess up because I stopped doing a color halfway through and went to sleep, and then the next day I started again with that symbol, but I thought that symbol was a different symbol, so I laid down over here. You can see I laid down a bunch of drills where this dark purple is, and then I had to pull them all up and put down the right color because I wasn't paying attention. So that's my fault. And I just use tweezers to pull up the color. So if you do make a mistake putting down drills on any diamond painting, I would recommend those super pointing tweezers. But yeah, this is it so far. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this diamond painting. I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you're new here, click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, and I will share with you guys the completed image. So make sure you subscribe to keep up to date on this kit. Bye!